Hello students of class 12th, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, as you know that your revision test is going to start. You have already got your syllabus. So dear students, according to that syllabus, we are going to revise all the chapters once again. So as far as English is concerned, so in first revision test, if we talk about writing skills, so there is notice writing and advertisement writing. Okay, in your first revision test, there are two chapters from writing skills: notice writing and advertisement writing. So today in this video we are going to revise advertisement writing. So already dear students, you have gone through all these topics. So this is the time of revision, and you know that revision plays a very important role in scoring well. Okay, so that is why now you need to be very attentive, and whatever the exercises, whatever the questions will be given for practice, you must practice. Okay beta, so let's begin today's class, which is going to be very fruitful. Okay, so in short writing skills, we will discuss notice writing and advertisement writing. So today in this video we are going to discuss advertisement writing. So what is an advertisement? As you all know, an advertisement is an announcement in a public media for promoting products, events, jobs, sales and services. We all of you are familiar with this definition. Types of advertisement which we are going to discuss in class 12. Classified, second type is commercial display, non-classified, but in class 12th we are going to discuss only classified advertisement. Okay dear students, so now let us discuss how to write an effective advertisement. Let us go through some solved examples. Let us go through some lines with which we can begin writing advertisement. Okay dear students, so now I hope you all are ready to begin. Let us begin. So dear students, as you can see on your screen, which we have just discussed, an advertisement is an announcement in a public media for promoting products, events, jobs, sales and services. You all are familiar with the definition of an advertisement. Types of advertisement we have just discussed. There are two types of advertisement: classified and commercial display or non-classified. Now distribution of marks. So earlier it was of 4 marks, but this year it is going to be of 3 marks only, as because of this pandemic, CBSE has made some changes regarding marking scheme. So this year writing advertisement is going to be of 3 marks. So format heading 1 mark, for content 1 mark, and for expression 1 mark. So total it will be of 3 marks. Guidelines for classified advertisement. So dear students, these are the very important guidelines which you must follow while writing an advertisement. To be written in short and catchy phrases and words. It is very important dear students, your classified advertisement must be written in short but having enough information. short and in catchy phrases and words. Second one, the language used should be simple, factual and formal, concise and to the point. Dear students, it is very important whatever you are going to write in writing skills. As you know that in your syllabus only formal writing is there. So dear students, in formal writing one thing is very important. Whatever you will write, it should be to the point. Your language should be simple, factual and formal, concise and to the point. You must keep it, remember. Don't write unnecessary thing. Third one, relevant information should be provided regarding the advertisement. What you are going to advertise, it should be clear. Relevant information should be provided. Don't provide any unnecessary information which is not required. So always, as we have discussed in second point, whatever you are writing, write to the point. Fourth one, provide contact name and address as per contact. Fifth one, should be enclosed in a box. This is very important. As we enclose notice in a box, in the same way advertisement also should be in a box. Classified ads should be very well covered in a range of around 50 words. You will never forget the word limit, which is 50, whether you are writing a notice or you are writing an advertisement. Stick to the word limit. Adherence to the word limit is very important, which is 50 words. So dear students, these are the guidelines for writing a classified advertisement. Now let us discuss categories of classified advertisement under different headings. Now dear students, what categories will be there in your syllabus, will be there in your board examination under different headings we are going to discuss. Situation vacant and situation wanted. Under these headings, classified advertisement can be there in your examination, which we will have to go through. First one, situation vacant or situation wanted. Second one, sale purchase of property, vehicles, household goods, office furniture. Third one, missing person, pet animal. Next one, lost and found. Next one, travels and tours, packers and movers. Next one, education, language course, hobby classes. And last one, matrimonial. So these are the categories of classified advertisement under different headings which your syllabus includes. Now let us discuss one by one each and every type of advertisement which comes under different heading. So first of all, we are going to discuss the advertisement which comes under situation vacant. So dear students, first of all we are going to discuss the advertisement which comes under this heading, which is situation vacant. Okay, we are going to discuss the advertisement which titled situation vacant. The point to remember, what are the point which we must remember while writing an advertisement? First one, dear students, keep heading situation vacant. Begin with wanted or required. Yes, dear student, these points are very important. You must keep them remember, and whatever we are discussing, you must note down in your revision notebook. If you want to score better in your board examination, so you must follow the instructions given by the teachers, given by the concerned subject teachers. Okay, dear student, so I hope you will follow. Yes, first of all, keep heading situation vacant. Second, begin with wanted or required. Third, mention the name of the company. Next one, number of posts, laying vacant, and name of the post. Required age limit, educational and professional qualifications, experience. Job requisites, desirable knowledge of computers, fluency in English, etc. If any other skill is required, you must mention in your advertisement. Personality requisites, impressive, pleasing, whatever you want, you must mention in your advertisement. What are the personality requisites you must mention? Salary and perks commensurate with experience, negotiable, whatever it is, you must mention in your advertisement. Mode of applying and time limit for submission. Contact address and phone number, and word limit should be 50 words. So dear students, these are the points which must be kept remembered, by you while writing an advertisement under the heading situation vacant. Okay, dear students, now let us go through some solved examples. You are Principal, Himalaya Public School. Draft an advertisement for the post of receptionist in the school. Mention qualifications, experience, requirements suited to the post. Okay, dear students, so how we should start such type of advertisement which come under this heading situation vacant, we have just discussed. So once again recall those points and let us finish writing this advertisement. So as we have discussed, we should start with whether wanted or required. So wanted or required a receptionist for the school. Okay, so first of all you have written for which post you are going to advertise, which is the vacant post in your school. Candidate should be well qualified, must possess impressive communication skills with fluent English, and should have pleasing personality. Interested candidates between 22 to 30 years may send their resume with latest passport size photograph to Principal, Himalaya Public School, Sector 29, Rohini, Delhi within 10 days. Contact number this. So dear students, as you can see in this example, there is no unnecessary information is given, but it must be including all the information which are required for a candidate to apply, after going through which a candidate will apply for the same post. you must mention all the details but in short. Okay, so for which post here you are advertising? Yes, for a receptionist. So wanted a receptionist for the school. Now what are the what is the qualification and other skills you want in candidate? So candidate should be well qualified, must possess impressive communication skills with fluent English. So you want all these skills in candidate. So that is why you must mention all these things clearly which you want a candidate must possess. Okay, and should have pleasing personality. If a person who looks sad always, it cannot apply. The person must be having a pleasing personality, a smiling face, a good personality, you can say here, attractive personality. Okay, interested candidates between 22 to 30 years may send their resume, okay, with latest passport size photograph. Where? To principal. Which school? Himalaya Public School, where it is situated, Sector 29, Rohini, Delhi. What is the last date of submission? You can also mention here by this date, okay, or by the end of the last week of October. So it depends on you which phrase you are going to apply. Okay, dear students. Then contact number. You can also give your email address for sending the resume, as these days most of the things are being sent online. So in that case, dear students, you can also give your email ID. Okay, so as you can see here, there is no email ID. It means candidates have to send their resume offline. But these days most of the things, whenever any vacancy comes out from and during this pandemic, so it is very important that you must mention your email ID, because most of the communication is being done online. Okay, so that is why you must mention your email ID. Okay, so this way, dear students, we write an advertisement under the heading situation vacant when we advertise for a post. Okay, you must have gone through all these things in your 11th class as well as in 12th class, as we are going through the revision. So you must be knowing most of the things. This video will help you for the quick revision of this, quick and well revision of this topic. Okay, now dear students, here some questions have been given for your practice. So please go through this these questions, go through this exercise, do all the questions in your revision notebook, and they must be sent on my mail ID, which I have given you separately for a separate section. For 12th A there is a different mail ID, for 12th B different mail ID, and so on for 12th C. Okay, dear student, so please, using those mail IDs, please send answers to these questions. Okay, there are 5 questions for practice which you must go through. You are the general you are the general manager of a leading concern. You need an IT assistant for your office. Draft an advertisement to be published in the local daily. Mohini Devi International Public School needs 2 postgraduate teachers for their school in the subject English and Hindi. As the chairman of the school, draft an advertisement for leading newspaper, inviting applications from suitable candidates at post box number 26, Rajpura Road, New Delhi. Next question. Sanskar International School requires a receptionist as the administrative officer. Draft an advertisement for publication in the situation vacant column of the newspaper, inviting applications for a walk-in interview. Mention all the necessary details. You are the manager of India Industries. Indira, not India. You are the manager of Indira Industries. Draft an advertisement to hire computer operator for your company in not more than 50 words. Invent necessary details. National Hospital requires experienced nurses for the hospital. As manager of the hospital, draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words. Invent necessary details. Okay, dear students. So these are the 5 questions which you must practice on the basis of the first example which we have discussed under heading situation vacant. Okay, and go through all the points which we have discussed. All these points are very important, and if you will seriously practice these 5 questions, so sure you will score better in your examination. Okay, dear students. Now let us discuss next type of advertisement, which is written under the heading situation wanted. Dear students, you must be already knowing what is the difference between the advertisements which come under the heading situation vacant, and the another one which comes under the heading situation wanted. Yes. So dear students, the employer gives the advertisement under situation vacant, while a job seeker gives the advertisement under situation wanted. So this is the difference between these 2 types of advertisements. Okay, the individual who seeks a job should include the following essential details after giving the title situation wanted. So such advertisements are written under the heading situation wanted. Okay, now you should write qualification and experience, age and sex, nature of job sought, minimum salary acceptable, contact address and phone number. Word limit 50. So here, dear students, as you know that a job seeker is going to apply for job, and under situation vacant we have seen that employer advertised, whether it is of any institution, okay, or any company, whatever it is. Okay, the employer employer gives the advertisement if there is any vacancy in the firm, in the institution. So it is given under the heading situation vacant. But if you are capable in any area and you are looking for a job, so it must be written under the heading situation wanted. The individual who seeks a job should include the following essential details after giving the title situation wanted. Qualification and experience. You must tell your qualification and experience. On the basis of that, employer will contact you. Then age and sex. What is your age? You are male or female. Nature of job you are looking for. What type of job you want to apply for? Okay, you are looking for. Minimum salary acceptable. So what is the minimum salary which you accept? Okay. Contact address and phone number, and word limit should be 50. Now let us go through the example of the advertisement which comes under this heading situation wanted. Okay. You are Sneha of F46 Sector 9 Rohini, Delhi. You are well qualified in music and dance forms. Classical dance. You are well qualified, well versed in classical dance. Draft an advertisement for seeking work, job to be published in local Delhi in about 50 words. So you are Sneha and your address is given here. You are well qualified in music and dance forms. Okay, in classical music and dance form. Draft an advertisement for seeking work and job. You are the job seeker. You are looking for a job. So you will have to write an advertisement under the column situation wanted. Okay. Now dear students, how we can start? Situation wanted. Now you will have to write about your qualification and experience. So you can start with a well qualified and experienced professional with a postgraduate degree in classical music and dance. So dear students, one thing you must not forget, you must always write to the point. Writing to the point is very important. Don't give unnecessary details. Don't give the details which are not required. Is it clear? I hope so. Okay. So a well qualified and experienced professional with a postgraduate degree in classical music and dance, willing to teach the art to the girls in evening 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Moderate charges, transport facility available. Interested candidates may contact Sneha, Director, Indian Musical Center, F46 Sector 9 Rohini, Delhi, or contact on this number. Okay dear students, so here we have to write our qualification. If we are the job seekers, if you are the job seeker, so you need to write your qualification, your experience, and which is the preferable time for which job you are looking, okay, and what other facilities you want from the employer. Mention all the things and how you can be contacted. Okay, so give all the necessary details. Now dear students, these are the exercise, these are the questions in this exercise which are based on situation wanted. So please go through these questions and write an advertisement under this heading. You are Sunil Verma of 57, Civil Lines, Rohtak. You are a young man of 32 with 7 years of experience as an expert executive in a reputed medical firm. You seek an immediate change to some other medical firm, Mumbai, Pune. Draft a suitable advertisement for the situation wanted column of a national daily. Okay, so there are also other other questions for practice. So please dear students, go through these questions and must practice. Second one, you are a computer engineer seeking a job. Write a suitable advertisement stating your qualifications, experience for situation wanted column of a national daily. You are Arun of Pragati Nagar, Kanpur. You are a CA and are capable of handling accounts and managing finances, both pronunciation is correct. You have 5 years experience. Draft an advertisement for a national daily seeking a suitable position. You are a first class graduate in English from Delhi University with an experience of 4 years in teaching in leading international school. You seek a job in Delhi NCR. Draft an advertisement in situation wanted column of the Hindustan Times in 50 words. You are Manak, a hardware engineer looking for a suitable job opportunity. Draft an advertisement for local daily giving details about yourself in 50 words. So dear students, these are the questions which you must practice. 5 questions for practice. You can take the screenshot. Okay, 5 questions for practice have been given in situation vacant column and 5 under situation wanted column, which you must practice and will be sent to my mail. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow and we will continue with this topic.